We want to introduce one of the best places for authentic Chinese food and burgers to you. The atmosphere here is nice and the staff extremely friendly. You will find two different menus in this restaurant. This one is for burgers and the other one for Chinese food. We ordered dishes from both menus. Here are the meals that we ordered. The prices here are very reasonable and the food quality is very good. All dishes we had were very delicious. We can highly recommend this food spot. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more weekly food seeing videos.